See? See how that is?
Yep.
That's how a man takes care of stuff.
You did it.
Well, all right, we got the renovation all done and it was all nice and perfect. And I turned on the sprinkler at the end of the video and it was like pooling out. The spray nozzle was fine, but it was like leaking really bad. I had my sprinkler system checked and everything a month ago and just quoted prices from the company. It was $85 to come out and take a look at everything. And then I actually had them fix one of these and it was, I think it was around 50 or 60 bucks. They replaced the head. And by the way, this is a Hunter PGP comparable to the Rainbird 5000. And this thing cost $8 and they charged me, it was like 50 or 60 bucks to replace one of these out in the field. I decided to do this myself, DIY, which I don't know anything about sprinklers. And if I can do this, you can do this. I'm gonna do a close-up and explain how these work. I figured this out through trial and error. And it was leaking, not from the spray nozzle. It was leaking from this top part, not when it sticks out, it was leaking from here. So, but first I thought it was maybe this thing needs to be tightened down. So I dug carefully all the way around, found the pipe, and this thing just unscrews. And I was like, maybe it wasn't tight enough. So then I cleaned all the parts and retightened it. And it was still leaking, you know, and it wasn't leaking from the bottom. It wasn't leaking from the sprayer. It was leaking from this center right here up top. So what I'm going to show you here is a close-up of how the Hunter PGP works and what the problem was, because we had a leaking situation. Opposed to trying to take it all off, it was better to just buy a new one. So let me show you right here. So this is the old one right here. And when I was digging this thing out, or when it was spraying, it was leaking all over, as you could see. And now when this thing is pretty corroded, but man, this thing is really jacked up. So this thing won't even pop out. So now when this would come out, okay, the sprinkler head, this spring comes down and this pops up and starts spraying. There's this washer right here that comes down. It wasn't making a good seal, and it was, when this was together and this would pop out, it was spraying all out of the bottom. The top part, there's no problem. But to get this washer off, I was just like, you know what, let's just get a brand new one. So let me show you the new one. All right, so this right here is the Hunter PGP. I just got this off Amazon, $8. So right here is the arrow, okay, it's to the right. And this thing will spin and rotate back and forth. So this is like right dominant, I guess they say. So it'll spin all the way back and forth. So to open this thing up, this right here, this hole, you're using this tool. So this goes in and you rotate, and then now you can pull it out. And this one came with this spray nozzle in there. Sometimes they'll come with multiple, and that is what this pin part is for. It will go inside here, and this is how you can adjust this screw that's in here to replace the nozzle in and out. So what we're doing here is, let me get this thing over. So right now, this is spraying right here, all the way to the right. This rotates all the way over, and this isn't doing a, there we go. Now it's doing the full, like 180 from here to here. And if you want to adjust the way the sprinkler head goes, let's say you only wanted a quarter, instead of it going all the way around, if you look right here, there is a plus and a minus. So that's when this comes in, and this will adjust it. So you get this in here, and then you'll feel it fit in the slot, and then now you can adjust it. Like you want it less, you'll rotate it, and then now, opposed to it rotating all the way 180, it will go only to here. So now we're like at a quarter, and it stops here. But if you want it to go to the max, you turn it all the way to the right, and you'll hear it click. And then now we're back all the way. All right, so now we're gonna install it. I have the arrow pointed over here, and it's gonna rotate over like that. So it's gonna spray like that. So we want this arrow pointed over there. There we go. So now I have my arrow pointed over. I want it all the way over that way, and it's gonna spray all the way back that way. And now this whole area should be good. So we're gonna go turn it on and check it out. And there you have it. I am just going to straighten this out and rebury it nice and straight. And now we're watering my area and all the way out there. And there it is. That's how you fix a sprinkler head. Don't be afraid, guys. It's the moral of the story here is don't be afraid to dive into your sprinklers. Just be careful when you're taking the shovel and you're digging in there. It's like kind of feel, you gotta kind of feel, don't just dive right in, because then if you hit the hose or the connector and you break it, then you're in a whole different world, you know. But as far as replacing the sprinkler head, the thing just screws right off, screws right back on, and they're very simple to use. So hopefully this helped you out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I have bare feet.
That's cool. You see that?
Yeah.
That's how it's done. See that?
Yeah.
All right.